Alright, today we're going to do a quick video of our Harig Easy Surf, serial number 413EZ. We're going to start the hydraulics. Start the spindle. Spindle's very quiet on this machine. You have your hand wheels here. That's your Z-axis. You have your Y over here on the pendant. Jog. That's your Z, in and out, rapid, nice and quiet. You also have your Y, up and down, also very quiet. Get that up out of the way. So we'll start your table reciprocation. It is variable speed. Speed it up, slow it down, whatever you need to do. The screen is an LCD retrofit. You don't have to deal with the black and white anymore. Wheel guards on the table. It'll move back and forth nice and smoothly. You can also stop it there. You can also manually crank the table by hand. Presently the machine's wired 220 volt, 3-phase. That basically does it for the video. Thanks.